If I'm in second place and you pass me, what place are you in?
First.
First place.
Yes.
I'm in second place and you pass me. Well, how would you be in first place?
Because I passed you. I passed you, so I'm in first.
I'm in second place, though.
Congratulations. Now I'm in first because I passed you. I passed you. Are we running? Are we driving? It doesn't matter. I passed you. I'm in first.
No.
Just don't get upset that you're not good at running or driving or whatever, and I passed you.
Okay, but I'm in second place.
Yes,
and then
I
you
understand.
pass me.
Right.
Okay. So what place would you be in?
First.
The answer's wrong.
How?
How?
Yeah.
I'm in second place. You pass me. There's somebody in first place. I'm in second. You pass me. That means that you would be in second place.